everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, but this is a different box that I have subscribed to for the first time. To be honest, I don't know a whole lot about it, but I was scrolling through Instagram a while ago and I saw an ad for this and it kind of got me. So this is called the CauseBox, kind of similar to like a FabFitFun box where it's more kind of lifestyle, I guess, oriented, subscription type box, but it's supposed to be like socially conscious and ethically sourced types of things. So like I said, I saw this on Instagram and it kind of sucked me in and I decided to try it. I've never tried any kind of lifestyle box like this before, so I really have no idea what to expect at all from this box. Whenever I ordered this quite a while ago. I think it was like the end of June for this box, and it said it wasn't going to ship until like mid-August. So yeah, it finally got here and I'm really interested to see what came in this box. There was one item that they said was guaranteed and I really hope it was, so I'm just gonna open it up and share with you guys what I got in my box. I do believe the original price is around the $50 mark for this box, but whenever I ordered they were doing like a promotional kind of code discount, so mine ended up coming to being like $24.95 and then tax, so about 28 bucks in the end for all of the stuff in this box. So I'm gonna open it up and see what I got and let you guys know what I think about it. All right, so this is what the box looks like. It's quite a large box. Like I said, I really don't know what to expect at all from this, so I'm just gonna open it up and you're gonna see my genuine true reaction. So okay, here I go. Okay, so first things first, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Okay, so this one is the CauseBox. It says good news summer intro 2020. So it comes with like a little thing here and it says our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. So looks like it's kind of like a little like flyer magazine kind of thing. It's probably gonna tell me what's in the box, so I'm gonna hold off for a moment and just kind of see what I have, and then I'll come back and see if this actually has any more information about the products in the box. So okay, I'm gonna go, ooh, what is this? This is the first thing in here that I'm going to open. Okay, this one is called the Bentgo or Bentgo. It kind of looks like a little lunchbox maybe. It has like a little elastic thing on here that I think is gonna hold it together. So that just comes off and it looks like this. So I'm gonna open this up and kind of see. Yeah, so it is like a little lunchbox. So the first thing up here, it has like a little area here where the utensils stick into. So it comes with a fork, a knife, and a spoon. And it says place utensils face down to store. So I'm gonna put those in there real quick to show what they look like. Okay, yeah, so they just snap into place like that. And then if you lift up that, it has a little two compartment there like this, so it's got like a little two compartment and you can actually pull that out, and if you would rather it just be like one open container, it's just like that. So then you can actually stack them like that and you can put the elastic band back around them and you can hold your lunchbox together. So I think this is really cute. I like that it's gray because it's very like, I don't know, gender neutral and just very, very standard. But I feel like this is a really good useful thing, especially since after you eat your lunch and everything, you can kind of collapse it back down and make it a little bit smaller. So I think this is really, really cool. It also says that it is top shelf safe for dishwashers, so that's easy for cleaning. It's also microwave safe without the lids and freezer safe as well. I don't really have any type of stackable kind of lunch boxes like this, but I think this is really, really cool. So that is the first thing that came in my box. The value of that one was $29. So for that alone, I've already gotten, I guess, my entire value's worth of the box. So let's see what else came in here. Okay, so the next thing I got in my box seems to be more of like a skincare type of product. This is from the brand Wyld, W-Y-L-D, and this is the Cognac facial cleansing sponge. So this one says it's infused with French pink clay. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna open this up and see what this looks like. I have had a Cognac sponge before. I used it a couple times, but I just kind of forgot that I had it. But this one's actually really, really large compared to the other one that I have. So it is quite a bit larger. It's so funny because when you feel it when it's dry, it feels like literally like a rough styrofoam, but I believe you're supposed to wet these or soak them for just a few minutes and they get really soft, and they're supposed to be really good at exfoliating your skin, removing your makeup and things like that. And of course it is made out of cognac, which is a natural plant fiber, so it is really great that this is not like just made of plastic or something that is not going to degrade, because it does say that this is biodegradable, which is great, and it is 100% natural as well. It also recommends to replace your sponge every 4 to 6 weeks, so I will definitely have to give this one want to go and see what I think about it. I have tried Cognac sponges before and I did like them in the past. I just honestly forgot I had one and haven't used it in quite a while. Okay, so the value of this one was $16. I think that's a little up there in price, but I am glad that it is like a 100% natural type of product and it's not going to just end up in a landfill and never decompose. Okay, so the next item is another skincare type product. I was really surprised to see this because I really didn't know what to expect from this box at all. I didn't know if it's going to have like a lot of beauty or makeup or anything like that, but this is from a brand called Grace and Stella. I've never heard of it before, but this one says say hi to hydration, and it is a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. Oh wow, the packaging of this is like really pretty. Like it looks so luxe. So yeah, it's just a hyaluronic acid, so I will definitely be interested in trying this. But if you guys are familiar, I am subscribed to BoxyCharm and I get a ton of skincare stuff from that as well. All right, so this is not as expensive as I would have thought it was based on the packaging, but the value of this one is $25. Okay, the next thing looks very interesting. This is from the brand Alt Cooking Hub, and these are actually little silicone lids, I guess, that go on top of like bowls or anything that you have, and it comes with a set of, let me see how many there are, 6 of them. This could actually be really interesting. So all the sizes, so starting off with the smallest one is like this. This would be like, just to give you a size comparison, I don't know, maybe like a little bit larger than like a Coke can. So it goes all the way up to this size here. If I can separate these. So this is the largest one. I feel like that's a pretty decent size. And of course these do stretch a little, so they can accommodate, I guess, a different bowl size. But I think this is a really interesting concept because there are so many times where I cannot find like a lid to fit something. And I like that there are so many different like size choices for this one. Also, I feel like it'd be way better to use something like that than like cling wrap, just because number one, I feel like cling wrap doesn't keep stuff as fresh as long. And these look like they would have a pretty good like seal onto your containers. I feel like you could get a pretty like airtight seal on it because it is so like stretchy and flexible. And of course cling wrap is just plastic that ends up in the trash anyways, so something like this I feel like would be a really good reusable non-wasteful product. So that's a really interesting thing I would have never thought of to purchase, and at $8 for 6 of them I feel like that is a very reasonable, affordable price. All right, and the last thing I got in my box, I'm not gonna lie, this was what really made me want to purchase this box, because I saw this item was in this box and I was like, oh well, I'll just go buy that item. And whenever I went to the website to go buy it myself, it was $120, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I ended up kind of like looking around and I was reading the comments and stuff on there, and they said that every box was guaranteed one of these, and they were running that deal at the moment. So I was like, well, I could get the entire box for about $25, or I could go pay $120 for this from the website. So I of course ended up buying the subscription. So this is actually really cool. This is from the brand called Glass and Ladder Co. And this is called the Megan Portfolio Clutch. I do have to say I'm a little disappointed I didn't get the color I wanted, but this one is still really, really pretty. So this is what it looks like. It is like a portfolio clutch type of product. I'm gonna open it up so you can see it a little bit better. So this is what it looks like. I got the color navy. You could have got this in blush, navy, or gray. I'm not gonna lie, I think navy was my last choice of colors. I definitely wanted the pink one, then the gray one, then the blue one, but that's okay. This is still really, really pretty. It almost looks black in certain light. It has the logo embossed here, and when you open it up, it is quite large in size. This is the size of it. I feel like you could keep like a tablet in here, you know, like if you have like an iPad or something, you could keep that in here. There's a lot of room in different pockets here, and keep some larger things. There's like little pockets here as well. I guess if you count each pocket, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have some card slots down here. It also looks like there is some space for like holding pens or little larger things, like right here with these little loops. So on the picture here, it looks like you can see they have definitely loaded up their portfolio, all kinds of different things. They have their phone in it, like a notebook, some cards, some pens, all kinds of stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, I really wanted to get the pink one, but this one is still really, really pretty, and it looks really, really nice and sleek. It also says you can hold up to a 13-inch laptop in there. So I guess if you have like a really small, sleek one, you could totally put that one in there. I actually just bought a new laptop a couple months ago. I want to see if it will fit in there, but don't know if it will right off the top of my head, but I will definitely have to try that out and see. But it definitely looks really cool, and I don't know, I feel like when I was in college and stuff, carrying around all of my art and design stuff, like I would have loved to have something like this to keep it all kind of organized in, like, because I was carrying around like X-Acto knives and rulers and self-healing cutting mats and stuff like that, and I feel like if I had something like this to keep it in, it would have been so nice and like keep everything organized, and it looks super professional as well. Alright, so everything I got in this box, I have to say, like I said at the beginning, I really wasn't sure what to expect from this at all. Like I said, the only thing I knew I was going to get was the little portfolio clutch, which was the main reason why I wanted this box. But overall, I was pretty happy. You know, out of everything I got, do I think I spent $25 well spent? I definitely think so. I definitely think so. As far as would I buy this box again, it's definitely one of the things where I'm not as huge into like a lifestyle subscription box, so I probably would maybe get one of these maybe like once a year if I was going to. I definitely really liked what I got in this one, but I don't have any need to go out and subscribe for a reoccurring type of lifestyle box like this, but it was definitely really interesting to try, and it's only the second subscription box I have ever tried out, so it was definitely a really interesting one, and I have to say, out of everything I got, I was pretty happy with it. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for this CauseBox. Let me know, do you guys subscribe to this? Have you ever gotten one? Is this type of box something you would be interested in subscribing to? Yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Overall, I think I got some pretty good stuff in this box, but I don't think I will necessarily be signing up for another box anytime soon, just because I feel like larger lifestyle boxes like this, they can clutter a lot of stuff, and I feel like it would just be a good thing to have maybe like once a year. So I was pretty happy with everything I got in this box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.